back to Squarebody stuff. We're still working on little project 305 for my 78 step side squeaky. Getting ready to set up the pump screen for the new oil pump. I gotta set the depth right. I've got another video that I posted a while back that explains all that and how to do that, so we won't get into that right now. But what I'm going to show you this video is I can't set the height yet until I get my oil pan straightened out. You can tell it's pretty well beat in. Of course, it didn't help that my youngest boy went the wrong way on the hoist. Not really the wrong way, but instead of slowly letting it down, he dropped it to the floor. That's in a previous video too. Okay, that's good.
Wrong way, Shellman.
Yeah, that just happened.
Hey, you got it on camera.
Yeah. So, didn't hurt anything, kind of bent the oil pan. It was already beat up anyways. So what I'm going to show you now is a couple ways to straighten that out to where it's still serviceable. And we're just going to use it. I've got some other oil pans, but I'm just going to use this one because that's the one I'm going to use. Alright, I got me a block of wood here to shore it up, I guess, get the right height. And I'm going to probably use my brass drift to beat some of this out. You could also use 2x4. And of course you're going to need a hammer. This is my little stubby 3-pound hammer. It's been around for a lot of years. So I'm going to be using that. And you just start working on it. There we go. Not too bad. It'll work. It's a lot better than it was. Hopefully you can see that. Before I let you go, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell down below so you can get notifications. And check out my Teespring store, Instagram and Facebook. All the links to those are down in the description below. And until next time, keep them square bodies rolling.